Hey, what's going on guys? This is MERRYDANGER and today I'm bringing you a new video, something we've never ever done before on the channel, and that is a unboxing and review video. We'll be unboxing the ADX Ultimate Gaming FirePower M04 Rgb Gaming Mouse. Yes, you heard me, Rgb Gaming Mouse. So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, we just playing around with this shit. Whoa.
Okay then, so we've got random junk. Just things for software. If you change your RGB color. Wow, it has a wire. Yeah, I forgot to point out, this is not wireless. Here it is. Looking dope. It has three buttons, 1, 2, and 3. It has DPI up to 6,200 DPI. Has 5 customs, so you change 5 different RGB effects. And yeah, looking dope. Let's do this. So if I go and take this bit off. Right, so it's now all plugged in. I also forgot to tell you, on this side it also has rubber grip. Here it is. So right here, under the bit here, is rubber grip, so or rubber, just so you can grip onto it, as I said. And yeah, the mouse is quite dirty. So here you go. The logo is all RGB, as you can see right there. There's RGB effects under it. It also has like 4 bits of rubber under here, just so you can obviously it doesn't move as much. The caster also has RGB effect. So yeah. So also as I said, you can change your DPI with this button right there, and this one right here is the RGB effect. So if I press it again, I see we have blue, change colours. Obviously you can change that with the software, which I will leave it in the link below. Even though when you buy it, you'll probably end up having it anyway. But let's go see how good it is at Fortnite. I want to point out, I've got one more bad thing. I've only found one negative thing with this so far, and it's left click and right click. It feels weird. It doesn't feel as normal as my Red Dragon mouse does. It feels normal. It's actually can grip onto it. With this one, it's a bit more like steepish, so like you go straight down. It feels a bit weird. It's like having a a mouse with loads of buttons on it. That is literally like hard to get used to. So like 12 buttons on a crosshair one. It feels weird because too many buttons, you can't really remember which one's which. So that's what it feels like. And for another negative, this button right here next to left click doesn't even work. So if I go on here and I press, let's say if I change my stairs, if I press that button, I'll show you. Oops, one thing about this one button. If I press this button at the same time, as you can see, I'm next to left click. Oh god, I need to go back on it again. Next to left click, I'm pressing it. It's not counted as a button. So that's one negative, or that's second negative about it. So pretty much my keyboard can't change. That's how bright it is in the dark. Complete dark. However, if I put my hand over it, still a bit of RGB over there. Still get a bit of RGB effect. So what I'm showing you here is the ADX software with only for Windows 7 32 64-bit, Windows 8 32 64-bit, Windows 10 32 64-bit. So to prove it, as you can see right here is the mouse. Now if I press this color, if I press the button, switch cursor, boom, as you can see it's changing all the colors. So yeah, I'm currently customizing the mouse of what I want. Also, to show you again, as you can see all the blue colors, they're gonna change color. I'm gonna prove it. So I'm gonna press the button, and all the blue has turned purple apart from that one because I customized that with big blue. Now it should be all light bluish. Should be all red / orange. So yeah. just go to software, download.adxgaming.com, and yeah, you've got to download it and you can start customizing it.
Yeah, we just playing around with this shit. Whoa. Shit can get dangerous, yeah. Shit can get dangerous, yeah. Shit can get